Hi, and welcome to Uchi. My name is Kevin Strauss. I'm Uchi's founder, and I wanted to personally say hello and help you get started. Now that you've registered for a free account on Uchi, what's next? Well, when you open the app, you'll see two buttons, one to answer questions and two to invite friends. It doesn't matter which button you click first, but I would recommend getting started with answering a few questions because that's really the heart of Uchi. When you click the button to answer questions, you'll be taken to the Uchi Explorer, where there are countless Uchi topics. You can choose any topic you like, and by clicking on the topic title, you'll see all 10 questions there. Again, you can choose any topic and you can go in any order. You can also click on one of the gray dots for each title or topic, and that will take you directly to that question. So feel free to answer any topic in any order and answer the questions in any order. You can bounce around as much as you like, and you do not have to answer all 10 questions in a topic. Just go anywhere you like in any order. Once you start answering questions, your answers will appear in the Uchi feed in chronological order. Then you can click the Invite Friends topic and invite a few of your friends to your Uchi. That's your in-group or inner circle. When your friends answer questions, their answers and comments will also appear in your Uchi feed in chronological order. No other content, answers, or comments from anyone else will ever appear in your Uchi feed. That's how private and safe your Uchi experience is, and it was designed purposely that way. That's really all there is to it to get started with Uchi. And the more you answer, share, and read each other's comments, the closer and more connected you'll feel. Have fun, and I hope you enjoy using the Uchi social platform, not a social media. Peace, love, and connect.